Hey everybody, Baron Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate, and Bren and I have a really nice rental, fully furnished, self-contained, turnkey, one bedroom in Denarau in the Cove Precinct. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous place and one of the most exclusive precinct neighborhoods on Denarau Island. And this is only about 15 minutes from the international airport and literally walking distance to five-star resorts, restaurants, retail shopping, wine bars, coffee shops, you name it, it's all right here. So nice, cute little sitting area, great sink, burner top here for cooking, microwave, and nice little fridge in there. Everything is ready to go. So if you'll see here, let me get it over here. There we go. You've got all the cooking gear and stuff all underneath here. Great granite countertop with a beautiful, another granite backsplash there. We don't see that very often here. Cute couch, and you have your TV set up. So if you want Walesi or Sky TV, you can subscribe to that. And with the two ceiling fans, the two aircon units, and all of these nice cyclone shutters and privacy screens, you have a lot of airflow in here, which is really nice. And of course, some great greenery views. Nice vaulted ceilings too, and that keeps things really nice and cool. But you can notice those ceiling fans and the aircon units both in the living area to the left here, and then of course in the sleeping area just here. And of course you have the lamp and the nightstand. I'm going to show you also for your belongings. You have some drawers in here, and of course all your hanging items here with the ironing board. So these owners are just great. They really take pride in what they do, and as a tenant here, you know you're going to get great service and quality. So if there were any repair items needed, things like that, these guys get on it, and trust me, they get on it fast, and they don't skimp. They do it right. So that's the last thing you want to do, is come to Fiji and have a landlord that causes some problems or doesn't listen to you, right? I guess anywhere in the world you don't want that. Here's the toilet area, and you have your sheets and towels here. Little vacuum if you need it. And great thing is you can also get some cleaning service, which is available here as well. If you want somebody to come in and do some cleaning, laundry service, that's an optional expense for you. That's very, very minimal, by the way. And then you have all the shutters up there. Very nice looking real estate agent there. And great place to put your belongings. Very low maintenance, as you can see, with the tile and the nice hardwood floors. So find out more. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051 to learn more. Here's another outside sitting space and the stairs to your exclusive use of getting into the unit, and some nice, again, some more glass shutters to give you that more natural light. We look forward to seeing you soon, and if you do have interest, go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us +679 999 2051 to learn more about this really cute rental property on Denarau Island, the crown jewel of Fiji. And we look forward to seeing you here very, very soon. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Vinaka.